This is Juliet. She's creative, but not really good at designing things. This is Bernard, a passionate of DIY, but he never has a right to one. And this is Antoine. All child in his heart, he is a huge fan of Star Wars and dreams to travel in another galaxy. For them and for you, we found a solution. Meet EVY, our new creation. We develop a versatile machine able to customize every object of your daily life and transform your ideas into reality. We sell the EVY in kits, which make everything more enjoyable and affordable. No need to be an expert, do it yourself. One of our particularities is that all of our plastic pieces are made by our own printer. This fabrication system allows us to control the quality of our pieces. But there are other particularities. Our capacity of printing is twice voluminous than other machines. But not only. With our flexible bed, removing your print has never been so easy. We created an innovative modular design with interchangeable head in order to transform easily your EVY into a laser, a cutteur, or a plotter that will spark your creativity. The EVY allows you to create in more ways thanks to its versatile utilization. It's more than a simple 3D printer. You can create from several materials by passing from the biggest to the smallest. With our plotter, choose your pen and marker and let your imagination do the rest. You can easily recycle your old clothes and accessories and turn them into something unique. The laser allows you to engrave on various material support. Just need to find yours to create your own design. Thanks to the printing, your creativity doesn't have any limit anymore. Like Juliet, Antoine and Bernard, thousands of people have joined the adventure. And you, what are you waiting for?